Welcome to Basic Python Programming. Episode 3, Python Operators and Expressions. An operator is a symbol that performs operations on variables and values. Operators are used to perform arithmetic, comparison, logical, and assignment operations. Expressions combine variables, values, and operators to produce a result. Arithmetic operators perform mathematical calculations. Addition uses plus, subtraction uses minus, multiplication uses star, division uses slash, modulus gives the remainder using percent, exponentiation uses double star, and floor division uses double slash. Comparison operators compare two values. Equal to is double equals. Not equal to is exclamation equals. Greater than is greater than symbol. Less than is less than symbol. Greater than or equal to uses greater than and equals. And less than or equal to uses less than and equals. Logical operators are used to combine conditional statements. And returns true if both conditions are true, or returns true if at least one condition is true, and not reverses the result. Assignment operators assign values to variables. Equal assigns a value, plus equal adds and assigns, minus equal subtracts and assigns, star equal multiplies and assigns, slash equal divides and assigns, and percent equal gives remainder and assigns. This diagram shows how Python evaluates expressions using operators and produces output. Here is an example of a Python expression using arithmetic operators to calculate a result. When this program runs, it displays the calculated value of the expression. This example shows all arithmetic operations in Python using two variables a and b, including addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponent, and floor division. The output of example 1, arithmetic operations is as follows. Addition, 13, subtraction, 7, multiplication, 30, division, 3.3333333333333335, modulus, 1, exponent, 1000, floor division, 3. Here, we compare two variables x and y using comparison operators and print the results of equality, inequality, greater than, less than, and the combination of greater than or equal and less than or equal. The output of example 2, comparison operators is as follows. X equals y, false, x equals y, true, x greater than y, false, x less than y, true, x greater than equals y, false, x less than equals y, true. This example demonstrates logical operators in Python, and returns true if both are true, or returns true if at least one is true, and not reverses the Boolean value. The output of example 3, logical operators is as follows. A and b, false a or b, true not a, false. Here, we use assignment operators to update the value of a variable. Plus equal adds and assigns. Star equal multiplies and assigns. The output of example 4, assignment operators is as follows. After plus equals 15. After asterisk equals 30. Here are 5 exercises for you to practice. Try writing these Python programs by yourself to strengthen your understanding. Exercise 1. Perform all arithmetic operations on two numbers and print the results. Use addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponent, and flow division. Exercise 2. Compare two numbers using all comparison operators and print the results. Use equal, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal, and less than or equal. Exercise 3. Use logical operators with Boolean variables and print the outcomes. Try and, or, and not operators to see the results. Exercise 4. Use assignment operators to modify a variable and print each change. Apply plus equals, equals, asterisk equals, equals, and percent equals operators to update the variable. Exercise 5. Create expressions combining arithmetic and comparison operators and display the results. Combine numbers and operators in a single expression and print the output. Thank you for watching episode 3. Stay tuned for the next episode in this basic Python programming series.